What are you doing? Did you just wake up? Okay, I have to make a video. I love you. Can we kiss? I need a kiss. Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting here chowing down Junior Mints and about to bust open a Cheerwine. I can tell you right now, in my 7 years of owning a business, I can't tell you how many hours I wasted writing emails, sending information, sending sample galleries, sending blog posts, making packages, only to find out that someone can't afford me. So, as I chew this Thin Mint, Junior Mint, I want to tell you guys today, I'm going to give you 3 of my favorite email templates that saved my life for wedding photography. So, the first one is called Qualifying the Client. Qualifying the Client simply does that. In the sales process, you get an inquiry, it's an email reply that is a template that gives your client just enough information to basically separate them, to make a line in the sand, to basically say whether or not they can afford you or whether or not they're gonna hit the road, okay? So this template is awesome, it's personal, it's sweet, it's informative, but the goal is that when I hit that send button, I don't have to worry about anything because that client is gonna reply. They're either gonna say, great, this was super helpful, you're out of my budget, or they're gonna say, oh my gosh, thanks so much for the information. I'd love to talk some more. My budget may not be right there, but I would love to see if you can customize it. Or the third thing, which is the dream response, is, oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let's get on a Zoom call. Let's meet up for coffee. I'm super excited, okay? So that's the first email I'm gonna give you guys. The second one is an attractive and sweet follow-up email that guarantees no ghosting. It guarantees that you get a reply. It's non-invasive to the couple and there's no pressure. I love my reply follow-up email. I normally send it about a week after I've talked to the client. Again, this is post meeting with the client. Or you could also send it after you've sent information and have gotten no reply back. We have a super high success rate with bookings. The moment we get people information, the moment we get them in person, we book the wedding. It's very rare that we do not book weddings from our qualifying email or from a meeting. Last but not least is the third email. This is the next step email. And I call it the next step email because what you don't want to do as a wedding photographer is you book a client, you send them a contract, you send them they pay you a deposit, and then they don't hear from you, okay? It's like the last thing that someone, they're making an investment. They're not spending a couple $1,000s. No, they're making an investment into their life. So our view on it is the moment they pay their deposit, there's a beautiful email that gets sent out. You can automate it. We use HoneyBook for that automation. Below is a link to get more info on HoneyBook. We've been using HoneyBook for, I think 5 or 6 years. We absolutely love it. It is our invoicing, contract, and communication tool with our client, and it integrates with Gmail, so I can send something out in HoneyBook, the client can reply in their normal email, or I can reply in my normal email, like Gmail to a client, and it's still it gets housed in both Gmail and HoneyBook. So we really think that the experience of email for wedding clients should be seamless. I hope this was helpful. Below are actually, there's a link for a download. I want you guys to go download that PDF that has the 3 email templates in it. Use it, tweak it, make it yours with your personality, your spin on it, and let me know how it works. I'd love to hear if you guys are booking from it. I'd love to hear if you need help with it. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you back here next time. Thanks so much.